Now we have a Liberty Precision suppressor right here, and a big thank you to them for donating it to the channel for this video. With the 4.5-inch barrel, most .22 ammunition, not all, but most, will be subsonic because there isn't enough barrel, not enough gunpowder is expended in speeding that projectile up, so you do have a subsonic projectile from all ammunition. Because of that, with a suppressor, these are incredibly, incredibly quiet. So I find this to be a wonderful weapon for both hunting, small game, rabbits, squirrels, that type of shit, or if you have to, dispatching certain foes in bad scenarios. So we can hear how quiet this thing is. Super quiet. The report is extremely pleasant, and especially in urban areas or something like that, these could be extremely effective weapons. But the question is how well do these perform? I've heard a lot of talk about .22 being just phenomenal in the human body.